Hi, myself Rohit and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before I bring my screen up, I just want to reiterate that I'm not a financial advisor. Any risk that you take is completely on your own and you're responsible for your own money. So for today, as you can see on my screen, I'm down for 1.50% for the day. If you look at the S&P 500, it was up 1.44% and Nasdaq was up 2%. The stock that I was in were not affected by the gains that S&P 500 and Nasdaq was having. So diversification is very important. You diversify your stock as much as you can. Even if you establish a position with 20 or 30 or 50 stocks, that's more than enough. But do not put all your money in one stock in order to make some easy money. Be patient, take it easy. Nobody in the stock market can actually tell you when a stock will be getting double. So if you are thinking anybody on the YouTube is trying to tell you that this stock is going to get double in time, it is not an exact information. There are some stocks which are having high chances of getting double, but it has nothing to do with a particular stock which is going to get double. So if you're putting all your money in one stock, it is a very bad idea. So many companies out there, you have to be diversified, and in order to get the gains out of each and every company, and you don't know which company is basically going to go up in what time. So diversification is the key in today's time to make yourself safe for your losses, because any short seller report or any kind of a fraud allegation that comes against the company and you put all your money in one stock, it is in a very big danger. So diversification is the best way to keep your money flowing everywhere. How I basically target the companies which I like is buying 100 shares of those companies, depending upon what's the price of it. If it is a $20 or $30 stock, then I will put $1,000 in it, just get a 50 stocks of it, so that if that stock have a rise or it has a squeeze in it, I can take some profit out of it. I try to establish my position in the genuine companies. Don't go for these YOLO stocks like GME. After the news that came out from the GameStop that they are offering more shares to the market, they don't have any new product to offer, but they have definitely offered some shares which make no sense. It all depends upon your attitude. My attitude towards investing is very different. I like to diversify my portfolios so that I can have the maximum advantage out of each and every good companies out there. Some people like to believe that we only live once, but I personally believe that we live every day and we die once. So be careful with whom you are listening to in your life. Some people might guide you in a really bad direction of putting all your money in one stock because it's going to get double soon. Don't fall for that trap. If you want to invest your money, take a small position in it so that if somehow that stock went double, you might be able to get some sort of a profit out of it. Don't be greedy too much. Today I'm going to introduce you to a new stock. Ticker symbol SOLO, Solo. Solo is a Canada-based company engaged in automobiles and multi-utility vehicles business sector. The company is dedicated to the design and manufacture of electric vehicles. The company operates in two reportable business segments in Canada: electric vehicles and custom-built vehicles. Electric vehicle segment include development and manufacture of electric vehicles of mass market. Custom built vehicles segment include development and manufacture of high-end custom built vehicles. The company has designed and built all electric Solo, a single-seater electric vehicle. So the current market cap of this stock is around 420 million and its 52 weeks high is $13.60. For today, the stock closed at $4.79. So as we can see on my screen, the price target that has been set by the Wall Street analyst for this company, the average pricing for this company is $8.92. So the average pricing for this company is $8.92 that has been set by the Wall Street analyst. That means there is an upside of 86.22% on this stock according to the current pricing, and the high of this stock is $12.25 and the low of this stock is $7. Establishing a very small position in this stock according to the current price is not at all a bad idea. My price target for this stock is $10. So the second stock for the day is ticker symbol NNOX, Nnox Imaging Limited. So Nnox Imaging is an Israel-based company that develops a digital X-ray source enabling a cost reduction of imaging system. With a current market cap of 2.24 billion and at the 52 weeks high is $94.81. Before we start, Congratulations to those people, those who already had a position in this stock and this morning they made a little bit money out of it. So as we can see on my screen, the average price for this stock is $67. That has been set by the Wall Street analyst. Then the current price of this stock is $48.55. In my personal opinion, you should wait for this stock to pull back a little bit more. This is definitely a good company to invest in right now, but you should wait a little bit, let few dollars come down. The shares of Nnox Imaging were skyrocketing 28.7% higher. The huge jump came after the company announced that the US Food and Drug Administration awarded $510,000 clearance to its single source Nnox ARC digital X-ray technology. FDA clearance means that the Nnox has a green light to the market. It's a game-changing X-ray system. Nnox X-ray devices are fully digital and eliminate the need for conventional X-ray tube. This means that the company's systems are smaller and require much less energy to operate. They are also a lot less expensive than current X-ray devices. These advantages could be huge as Nnox begin to market its technology. Nnox expect to begin shipping its single source system in the fourth quarter of 2021 and the first quarter of 2022. The company thinks it will be able to place 15,000 initial system by the end of 2024. Another key catalyst for the life science stock could also be on the way. Nnox hopes to submit for FDA clearance for its multi-source Nnox ARC system this year. So if you're thinking of investing yourself in the US stock market, please use the link in the description box below. There are going to be two links. One link is going to be for New Zealand and Australia, that is for the stake, and the second one is going to be for IBKR, which is for the international users. Please like and subscribe my channel. In the meanwhile, keep working hard, keep investing, stay happy.